Hello, good morning everybody. Welcome back again to our channel Bali Travel. Today we have a time and we have a chance to come with my customers. One of the best place in Bali, not very far from Kuta. Welcome to Tegenungan Waterfall. So if you take time from Kuta by the car, you spend about 30 minutes to 40 minutes from Kuta to come here. So please follow our video. We will inform you about the ticket here. You pay 20,000. It's open from 6:30 to in the morning, okay, until 6:30 in the afternoon.
Thank you.
Okay, before you entrance the waterfall, you need to buy your ticket, and then if you have your driver with you, the driver will drop you here, and your driver will go to the top, to the parking lot, and you need to just keep walk down, go to the waterfall. So on the right side here, you can see, you can buy the coconut corn grill, ice cream here, many t-shirts here. So we inform to you, if you come here, you need a little bit power. You need to be fresh and fit. If you are not feeling well, I do not recommend you to come here, because you need a little bit power. So when you buy your ticket and you entrance the waterfall, they will check your ticket. So keep with you the ticket.
Vediamo il cappello quello da vietnamita.
So you just keep walking. Just not more than 5 minutes. You walk all the way and you will find the step to go down.
And she's always fun.
Well, we inform to you, if you want to see the waterfall, in the last time you can see from this restaurant here, but I will inform you the regular way to go. So you need to go step down here. So on the left side here, you can see, if you are not feeling well, you can see the waterfall just from here. Yeah, you can see. So if you feel good, you need to go down, all the way down. And then you need to go down. And you need to go down again. So the problem is when you come back from the waterfall, you need a little bit power. And this is something new since we've just passed the pandemic of COVID-19. There is the bridge now here. There's the bridge. It's just done. I don't see this. This is my first time after the COVID-19. There's the bridge. Go to the other side. I think it's going to another restaurant on the other side. Okay, we continue to go down. So this gazebo on the left side, when you're coming back from the waterfall and you feel tired, you can sit down here. Take a break here. On the top you can find the restaurant here, International Warung, Bumbu Asli, the original herb. It means Bumbu Asli. So if you're interested to come here, make sure it's not cloudy. Today just a little bit cloudy, but that's okay. That's why the water is a little bit, just a little bit tiny brown, but it's not very bad. So today I come here. But if you see it's a very hard raining, do not come here because the water will be very brown, getting like a chocolate, you know, chocolate, hot chocolate, like this picture. So make sure there's no cloudy in Ubud area or in the mountain to keep the water clean, like this one. And what I recommend to you again, if you come here, don't forget to bring your swimwear. You can swim here. You can swim, you can jump from the top. And don't forget to bring with you the dry clothes with you. Even if you don't swim, because the splash of the water, the smoke of the water will come to you when you arrive at the waterfall. You still will get wet even if you don't swim. You still get wet. So when you come here, just bring with you your dry clothes. Remember, you will take the step down and, well, I have nothing to say. Just beautiful. That's it. Just beautiful. So guys, ladies and gentlemen, whoever watch our video, if you come here, you can contact me. You can call me one day before. You book me, I will take you here. I put my number here. So not only this place, I will take you also to Tegalalang Rice Terrace, also Ubud Palace, and anything else you can see for this tour package. You can see our video at the end of this video. In the corner you can see the Tegalalang restaurant, also everything. So like this, tourists like do where they've done to see the waterfall, so they have to get back to the top, so they have to walk like, yeah, just be sure before you come here, have your breakfast to get the power to power up. So when coming back from the waterfall, you feel fresh and powerful. Yeah. Saya coba video, Pak. Okay, we go down now. So this place will open from 6:30 a.m. in the morning time and close at 6:30 p.m. But don't worry, in the night time this step is no blackout, because the management here, they provide you the light in the night, so it's gonna be light here, so no dark, so you can still can see the step when you go up. So today I will review to you the tutorial how to come to Tegenungan Waterfall, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, because on our video there are more than 100 videos all about Bali, all about the beautiful of the Bali. So before you come to Bali, better you subscribe us and you will see more videos about Bali. So before you come to Bali, you already know about Bali, so you will know what you need to see, what you need to visit in Bali. You will know, you choose which one is the best for you. And this one, another gazebo here. So it means that for all of you, when you're coming back from the waterfall, when you feel tired and when you feel not feeling well, you can take a rest here. That's what it means, the gazebo. So for those of you, if you have if you feel not very strong, especially for you who has the age more than 60 years old, I do not recommend you to go down. You can visit this waterfall, but do not come down, because problem when you coming back. Or if you really want to go down, you need to bring with you your son, your grandson, or friends who will help you when you go back to the top. So on the right side is the mini waterfall. You can swim here. This is free for you. This is very nice. This is free for you. You can swim here. So this is the river. Still, I inform you, at the day you come here, make sure it's not raining, because problem when it's raining come, this river will full of water, flooding and flooding. So make sure it's not raining, especially in the night. Last night, make sure last night in the mountain it's not raining. So on the left here, on the top, there is Oma restaurant. You can have your food here. Yay! Are you done? Okay. I finished? Okay, it's time to go back. Okay, thank you for watching. That's all our video for today. And please subscribe and you will see all my videos about Bali. Thank you.